So yes, you can haul 4x8 sheets of plywood, drywall, whatever, in your Toyota Tacoma. This is the short bed Sport, Tacoma Sport 2016. And what I did, I got the left one here over the front little hump there and the right one over just to disperse a little bit of the load. 2x4s on top, and then just secure it down with a strap, because you know, if you get a tailwind, I've seen windy days, they will pick up sheets of anything in your truck and rip it out and fly it out. So just be careful with that. Tie it down, just tie it down. This one I just took out. These are 2x4s, 8-footer. And there you go. It is doable. You can, of course, lower the tailgate. There is some weight on this, obviously, but it's not too bad on the tailgate. But, you know, you can lower it and then keep them flat and then have the tailgate down to get an extra 2+ feet. But for what I'm doing with this light load here, it worked perfectly. So there you go.